Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shaba Shams. I'm so happy you made your stop right here, right now, because today I want to share with you 7 important expressions in American language and English that I personally love to use. First, idiom, dig in one's grave. Actually, I just thought about it earlier as I was working on a post, and I realized that a lot of people do certain things that do not serve them well, and instead of tell them, oh, you're a failure or what you're doing is wrong, you can simply say, you are digging your own grave, which means that you're causing your own failure, or what you're doing is either wrong or dangerous. This expression, what a great way to tell people that they are not on the right path without too much in here. My next expression, break a leg. Well, for somebody who actually and literally broke a leg, I think this expression is not really the kindest. However, I must admit that in American English, it simply means good luck. You say, hey, break a leg. Don't take it the wrong way and don't go around breaking your leg. Is one actually that I heard in Sweet Home Alabama. I remember very, very well one of the characters was sitting on a top of a little water tower sort of thing, and he was talking to his friend about winter spoon. And then at some point he says, guys, I'm calling off at night.
Yo, I think I'm gonna call it a night.
And I didn't really understand what that meant, so I had to look it up. And it means simply calling off a day, call it off a night, whatever you have been doing or you're doing, you're done doing it. So it's a good way to tell your friends or people that you're calling off a day. So calling a day or calling off a day or a night means simply that you're done with that activity. Hang in there. Hang it in there. Don't take it literally. Hang in there simply means hold on, don't give up. How did that expression even came to? Hang in there means don't give up. Yeah, in another video maybe I'll talk about the origin of these expressions. It's one of my favorite. These last two are one of my favorites because I use them a lot. So it's not rocket science. It's when you're having a conversation with somebody, or even when you are talking about something or explaining something, or someone is trying really the hardest to tell you about something and you're just like, it's not rocket science. I mean, I get it. It's not rocket science. It's something simple. Why are you going on and on? Or if you see somebody do something that they shouldn't be doing and you're like, dude, it's not rocket science. This is very simple and the rules are clear. Why are you making it this complicated? So it's not rocket science. Doesn't mean that you're building a ship to go to space. I wish I was Elon Musk to do so, but it simply means that the concept is very simple and it's really not worth this level of explanation or and common sense of people and how they react about something, being idiots. So it's not rocket science. It's literally not rocket science. The first part is miss the boat, meaning it's late, you know. Dude, you missed the boat. The meeting is over. Dude, you missed the boat. Literally that the ship had left the dock, right? But I also have another part that I love using, and it's this ship has sailed. So you miss the boat and the ship has sailed kind of mean the same thing, but I personally use them in different circumstances or situations. Miss the boat literally means, you know, you're off with your timing. Ship has sailed is you're off with the timing because of a decision that I made. Just an example, I met a lady a few years ago through my spouse's family, and I wanted to have a good relationship with her. And I don't know, maybe like all women, when they see another woman come in the family, she wasn't very kind or welcoming. And after a while, I just gave up. Like, what happened is now that she's trying to reconnect and build a relationship, I just realized that that ship has sailed. So that ship has sailed means no longer available for building a relationship, for entertaining much of anything with you. That ship has sailed. Also, you make one offer, and in business it happens a lot, and you're like, okay, you need to register by the end of the day. If I am launching a course for a promotion, for an event, and I'm offering people to register midnight in, with a 3-day period, for instance, and then people don't register, and they come back and they're like, oh, we want to have that rate. And I'm like, that ship has sailed, meaning you should have taken advantage of the offer when it was the time for the offer. How I personally use, the missing the boat personally. I don't use that one too much, miss the boat, but I use a lot more that ship has sailed in terms of you missed out on your opportunity. If you do have favorite expressions in American language, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, because once a week I will try my very best to share with you some of my favorite expressions. So here you have it, share your own, and I will see you on the next one, and salam.